Tulsi, otherwise known as holy basil, is one plant you must have in your garden. It has so many medicinal benefits. The seeds of Tulsi germinate easily. After they dry up, they fall on the ground and you can see the germination process in 1 to 2 weeks. This is my star fruit plant which was growing happily in its pot until one of the Tulsi seeds decided to brutally capture a part of the soil in the pot. Now, I need to separate these two as the Tulsi plant seems to be growing bigger and bigger. I shook it in all possible directions and carefully removed the plant with its root intact. Because I am going to repot it. This is a sad empty pot with dried stem and some stick on it. I got rid of the unnecessary things and reused the pot because it already has a very good fertile soil mix of coco peat, vermicompost and red soil. Plus the pot was painted by me last year sometime. I planted the holy basil and the sad empty pot looked lively again. The leaves will look droopy for a few days. The nature of any plant to go on a shock when they are repotted. I poured little water on the soil for the entire plant to settle down and it's done. Now I have a new Tulsi plant.